In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a forgotten password in LinkedIn. If you're locked out of your account and can't remember your password, don't worry. LinkedIn makes the recovery process pretty simple, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can regain access to your account safely. To begin, go to the LinkedIn login page. This is the page where you normally enter your account details to sign in. Make sure you're on the official LinkedIn website or app so your information stays secure. Taking a moment to double-check that you're in the right place is always a good habit when resetting any password. Once you're on the login screen, click on Sign in with email. This takes you to the standard sign-in option, where LinkedIn allows you to enter your account details manually. If you normally use another sign-in method, don't worry, you can still recover your password from here as long as the account is connected to your email address or phone number. After that, look for the Forgot Password option and click it. This is the recovery link that starts the password reset process. LinkedIn will then ask you to identify your account so it knows where to send the verification code. Now enter the email address or phone number linked to your LinkedIn account. Be careful to type it correctly because the verification code will be sent there. Once submitted, LinkedIn will send a code to that email address or phone number. You'll need to access that inbox or device, find the code, and enter it when prompted. This verification step is important because it confirms that the account really belongs to you. If the code is entered successfully, LinkedIn will allow you to reset your password. At that point, create a new password that is strong but also easy for you to remember. A good tip is to use a unique password that you're not already using on other websites, since that helps keep your account more secure. After your identity is verified and your new password is set, you should be able to sign back into your LinkedIn account normally using the updated password. That's all it takes to reset a forgotten password in LinkedIn. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow along carefully whenever you need to recover access to your account, and always keep your login details secure.